When working with type HCF cable in patient care areas, the aluminum conductor requires specific handling. It's not intended to be terminated with the ground wire. The correct procedure is to fold the aluminum conductor back along the cable and then wrap it securely around the outer sheath of the cable. This method ensures that the aluminum conductor functions as intended within the HCF cable system. HCF cable is designed with this specific configuration to provide an extra layer of protection against electrical noise and interference, which is crucial in sensitive patient care environments. Terminating the aluminum conductor with the ground wire would defeat this purpose and could potentially compromise the cable's shielding effectiveness. The outer sheath provides a continuous, low-impedance path for any induced currents, directing them back to the source without interfering with the sensitive medical equipment in the vicinity. By folding the aluminum conductor back and wrapping it around the sheath, you maintain the shielding integrity. Failing to properly handle the aluminum conductor could lead to non-compliance with electrical codes and standards, potentially resulting in safety hazards and equipment malfunction. It is very important to consult the specific requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code, particularly Article 517, which addresses healthcare facilities, for detailed guidelines on wiring methods and grounding practices. Remember that patient care areas demand the highest level of electrical safety to protect both patients and medical personnel. Always adhere to the prescribed methods for handling specialized cables like HCF to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. When installing HCF cable, first, identify the aluminum conductor. Secondly, carefully fold it back along the cable's length. Thirdly, tightly wrap the folded conductor around the outer sheath of the cable. Fourthly, ensure the wrapping is secure and won't unravel. Fifthly, double-check that the connection is sound before proceeding with the rest of the wiring. The purpose of HCF cable in patient care areas is to minimize electrical interference that could affect sensitive medical equipment. The aluminum shield, when properly installed, helps to block electromagnetic interference or EMI, preventing it from disrupting the operation of critical devices. This is essential for maintaining accurate diagnosis and treatment. Improper handling of the aluminum conductor can compromise the shielding effectiveness of the cable, potentially leading to inaccurate readings or malfunctioning equipment. By following the correct installation procedures, you ensure that the HCF cable performs as designed, providing a safe and reliable electrical environment for patients and healthcare providers. Remember, the aluminum conductor in HCF cable is not a grounding conductor. Its primary function is to act as a shield against electromagnetic interference. Terminating it as a ground wire would be incorrect and could compromise the cable's performance. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and the National Electrical Code for specific guidance on handling and terminating HCF cable. Proper installation is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the electrical system in patient care areas. When working with HCF cable, it's important to understand its construction and purpose. The cable typically consists of insulated conductors for power and lighting, along with the aluminum shield and an overall outer jacket. The aluminum shield is designed to provide a continuous conductive path, which helps to attenuate electromagnetic interference. By folding the aluminum conductor back and wrapping it around the outer sheath, you create a continuous shield that effectively blocks external noise from interfering with the electrical signals within the cable. This is particularly important in patient care areas where sensitive medical equipment is used. These devices can be susceptible to electromagnetic interference, which can cause inaccurate readings or malfunctions. HCF cable helps to minimize this risk, ensuring the reliable operation of medical equipment and the safety of patients. When installing the HCF cable, pay close attention to the details outlined in the National Electrical Code. Article 517 provides specific requirements for wiring methods and grounding practices in healthcare facilities. These requirements are designed to ensure the safety of patients and healthcare providers. Always follow the code guidelines and manufacturer's instructions when working with HCF cable. This will help to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. In addition to the aluminum shield, HCF cable typically includes a green insulated grounding conductor. This conductor is intended to be connected to the electrical system's grounding electrode system, providing a path for fault current to return to the source. The grounding conductor helps to protect against electrical shock hazards. It's important to properly terminate a grounding conductor according to the National Electrical Code and manufacturer's instructions. Do not confuse the grounding conductor with the aluminum shield. They serve different purposes and must be handled accordingly. The aluminum shield is designed to attenuate electromagnetic interference, while the grounding conductor is designed to provide a path for fault current. The two conductors must be properly installed to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. When working with HCF cable, always use appropriate tools and equipment. This includes wire strippers, crimpers, and other tools that are designed for working with electrical wiring. Using the wrong tools can damage the cable or create unsafe conditions. Be sure to follow all safety precautions when working with electricity. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, and always de-energize the circuit before working on it. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to do the job. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to take precautions to protect yourself and others. When inspecting HCF cable installations, look for signs of damage or improper installation. Check the outer jacket for cuts or abrasions. Make sure the aluminum shield is properly folded back and wrapped around the outer sheath. Verify that the grounding conductor is properly terminated. If you find any problems, correct them immediately to prevent safety hazards and equipment malfunction. Regular inspections are essential for maintaining the safety and reliability of electrical systems in patient care areas. Patient care areas require stringent electrical safety measures to protect vulnerable individuals. This includes the proper installation and maintenance of HCF cable. HCF cable minimizes electrical noise, which can interfere with sensitive medical equipment and diagnostic procedures. The aluminum shield plays a critical role in this process by acting as a barrier to electromagnetic interference. By following the correct installation procedures, you can ensure that HCF cable performs as designed, providing a safe and reliable electrical environment for patients and healthcare providers. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electricity in patient care areas. Always adhere to the National Electrical Code and manufacturer's instructions, and never compromise on quality or workmanship. Proper installation of HCF cable is essential for maintaining a safe and functional healthcare facility. The National Electrical Code Article 517 provides comprehensive guidelines for healthcare facilities. It covers various aspects of electrical systems, including wiring methods, grounding, and essential electrical systems. It is crucial to understand and comply with these requirements to ensure patient and staff safety. The code is updated regularly to reflect advancements in technology and address emerging safety concerns. Stay informed about the latest code changes and incorporate them into your work practices. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for maintaining competency in electrical work. Take advantage of training opportunities and resources to enhance your knowledge and skills. This will enable you to provide the highest level of service to your clients and ensure the safety of the public. In addition to the National Electrical Code, other standards and regulations may apply to electrical work in healthcare facilities. These may include local building codes, state regulations, and accreditation requirements. Be sure to familiarize yourself with all applicable requirements and comply with them fully. Working in healthcare facilities requires a high level of professionalism and attention to detail. Patients' lives may depend on the proper functioning of electrical systems. Always take your work seriously and strive for excellence in every aspect of your job. The proper handling of the aluminum conductor in HCF cable is a small but important detail that can make a big difference in the safety and reliability of electrical systems in patient care areas. Always follow the correct procedures and never compromise on quality or safety.